Hey guys, welcome back to Curl Up With Vay. So today I wanted to do something a little different. I just wanted to try some things on camera that I've never tried before. So let's get right into it. I'll unveil the snack as I'm about to eat it. First thing is the sweet and chili mango. It's a candy from 7-Eleven. So we're about to try that. Okay, 1, 2, 3. That was pretty good. Couldn't help but look at the nutrition facts, right? And I really wish I didn't. It says the sugars. There's 18 grams of sugar in one serving. There's 3.8 servings in this bag, please. And just so you,
how much are you doing?
Look, this is how the bag came. This empty, okay? 3.8 servings in this. So that means one serving is really like 2 of these things. And that's 18 grams of sugar. Wow.
How much are you doing value?
It doesn't say.
No, but
It tastes good. You know what I mean? It's tonight, okay? But I can't keep eating this. This thing is horrible. But it tastes good. The next snack we wanted to do a chip. So I got the local rollers. This is this is rolled tortilla chips. It's the flavor is habanero and lime. So we're gonna see what this tastes like. The last snack had cayenne on it, and this one has habanero. So I think we're going for like a spicy cake tonight.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a Taki.
you didn't see that.
No. I did not know this was freaking 7 select Takis.
Cheers.
That was interesting.
That's enough. But
It was like,
tastes better than the actual chip.
yes, first of all, it tastes like a straight up like lemon. It was so sour.
Then it was like another type of weird underlying. It's
Yeah.
just like maybe like I don't know, some outro or something.
And then it's, I don't know, the like chip itself tasted kind of funny too. Like
This don't taste like nothing.
7-Eleven, the Takis was not y'all lane to be in. Okay, so this next one is also a chip. It's buffalo chicken dip. So let's see.
Yeah,
This tastes like a salt and vinegar chip.
but it's like buffalo salt and vinegar.
Yeah.
All three together.
And I can only eat salt and vinegar chips ever so often. Like, and the fact that it surprised me just came up on me. Yeah, whose was this? It is a no.
Yeah, go play your shit back there.
Okay, what's the next thing we trying? Okay, so I don't like wasabi like when I get sushi or go to like hibachi or whatever. Or not hibachi. Like when I get, I don't know, different foods. But, or when I go to like the buffets and stuff like that. That's what I was trying to say. But I had wasabi on like, I don't know if it was I don't know what it was on, but it was good on this thing that I was eating and snacking on. It was in the office that I worked in. So, got flavored jumbo peanuts, and they are the wasabi soy. 1, 2, 3. That was pretty good. I like that. But you did get some of like that wasabi taste though. It was good.
Oh yeah.
I like that.
It's not that bad.
So I would have to say the winner was these ones, the chili mango. They were really good. They have like, some have a lot of sugar, but they're tasty. I might finish the pack. I'm not even gonna lie. This doesn't seem too bad. The peanuts, which I kind of assumed because they're peanuts. But this was the runner-up here. This one is good. But the buffalo chicken dip chips, no, they tasted like a lot of vinegar. I didn't like that. And then the little 7 Select Takis, they tasted like a straight lemon, and I like barely got the flavor, so no. So thanks for watching this. I hope you enjoy content like this because I feel like I want to put some more of this out there. So let me know, but make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And once you do that, go ahead and turn my post notifications on. Okay? So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.